Being able to adapt to the changing world of brands is a sign of being a true professional. That's why you have to upgrade your arsenal with new tools day after day. So in this video, we'll show you the 10 new cool power tools that are on another level. When using a traditional wrench, isn't a worthy option to choose? The all-new Milwaukee Extended Reach Ratchet changes the game. First and foremost, it's built to get the best access in tight spaces, especially for automotive applications. It simply provides industry-leading speed with a more sleek and slim head profile than ever before, so you can get it into confined rat hole type spaces too. In terms of reach, the extended neck will make you achieve the highest benefits from it. This ratchet delivers up to 35 foot-pounds of maximum torque, all thanks to the Power State brushless motor. Despite having a thin profile, it never compromises efficiency. Just pick it for every job and reach places where your hand simply can't. Mopping or wiping water off your car seems so backdated. Just say goodbye to the water drops with this Auto Joe air blasting water dryer. It's a great tool for auto detailers and professional car maintainers. When a highly concentrate stream of air expels, you can easily get dry your car, truck, motorcycle, and RV. It simply brings a showroom-like shine after every clean. The best pro of the tool is its 550-watt powerful motor, which allows you to get two functionalities from a single tool: dryer and inflator. Plus, the 2-speed settings let you blast away dust and debris and quickly dry damp surfaces. While used as an inflator, the Auto Joe inflates a twin-air mattress in just 30 seconds. The water dryer also includes a 9-piece accessory kit. It can even be used to dye your pets gently. Professionals and hobbyists can use this tool for more than just edge band trimming. The Comatic PD80 is also great for hollow door or column edge trimming. You can assemble it in just minutes without taking any extra pain or exceptional tools. With a 30,000 RPM router bit, this trimmer makes a smooth finish while maintaining absolute safety during the operation. On the other hand, it comes with a telescopic vacuum cover, which provides the most effective suction and protection from dust particles. It also plays a vital role in corner joining with the perfect radius trimming function. Not just that, there's a hidden edge razor that permits pinpoint minor trimming. The next tool on the list is built to solve spot welds, no matter which kind of steel you're dealing with. The Comatech Spot Weld Drilling Machine combines both pneumatic and electric power and increases the contact pressure between 60 and 240 kilograms. Want to know the really fun fact? This fast drill is manufactured with a unique mechanism, as it only starts drilling when the drill is in contact with the exact position or surface. You can use the Comatech drill for all the high to low tensile steel with desired precision. If you want the best adjusting use, then you have to use the screw at the opening lever. Plus, the ergonomic shape and light design make it ideal to handle. You can also switch between two drill bits while handling multiple types of steel sheets. There are few people who wouldn't want to keep his tool arsenal as minimal as possible. And if you're seeking a small screwdriver that's relatively more efficient than available models, you better get your eyes on this Inco screwdriver. It's totally effortless to use and perfect for confined spaces. In terms of power, it produces around 4 Newton-meter torque and generates up to 180 no-load speed. That's substantial for regular screwing tasks. Another cool feature of this little guy is the integrated work light that keeps you well going with its standard illumination. Oh, and there's a charge level indicator too, meaning you'll be constantly informed about how much power is left to complete the job. Plumbing is a trade that requires tons of equipment, and a press machine is such a tool without which plumbers can't even think of a day. The Romax 4000 is a cordless electro-hydraulic pipe pressing tool that makes fast installation with turbo pressure, taking on 5 seconds for one press. You can uninterruptedly press fittings up to 110 millimeters with around 34 kilonewton force. Thanks to constant force technology, it offers a safe press connection with continuous press force. When it comes to runtime, the powerful 18-volt CAS battery never lets you down with maximum compatibility and even more pressings per load. No worries about the press button. It can easily take up to 40,000 pressings. Last but not least, the balanced weight distribution minimizes fatigue and increases comfort. You can't stop your kids from playing with dead leaves in the backyard, can you? But you can get rid of those leaves with this Bosch Advanced Leaf Blower. It's a wholly new addition to the Bosch gardening tool lineup. Despite having a stylish appearance, it also equips a powerful motor that delivers outstanding airflow for heavy-duty debris movement. Plus, the blower also lets you select the operating power, noise level, and runtime with its variable speed control. Maybe you're struggling with stubborn debris and wet surfaces. Here's the twist. This leaf blower features an axial fan that quickly clears them all. On top of that, the unique Sign-On technology enables the strength and power and maximum endurance you need. Now here's something for the electricians. This is the Fluke FEV 100 EV SE Test Adapter, an effective way to test the safety and performance of Type 1, Level 1, or Level 2 electric vehicles' AC charging stations. It also can be used to confirm if an EV SE is working properly after installation and during routine maintenance, or if it's actually delivering the appropriate charge or not. Even the ground fault checks, insulation of wires, measuring voltage, and many more tasks will be easier with the Fluke FEV 100. Crucial tasks, simple solution. No time to explain. You won't rely on an inadequate tool to lift your heavy goods. Don't go on its look. This little giant lifts up such heavy weights that are surely going to surprise you and your mates too. With a robust and tough appearance, it outshines as the best addition to your workshop. Simply drag it to the bottom and start lifting it with an air-down switch. Whether you're involved with these tasks, you definitely want to feel safe. This tool can be lowered down for easy positioning, which is pretty much safer than conventional bottle jacks. Say goodbye to all the headaches of safety issues and accidents forever. Weld seam preparation and completing superior weld connections are not as easy as they look. But if you have the SKF 25 portable beveler, things will become child's play. Yep, this compact tool simply bevels between 15 to 60 degree angles on a plate or pipe. It allows you to adjust the chamfer width up to 15 millimeters. No matter which metal you're working on, steel, stainless steel, aluminum, or non-ferrous metal, the SKF 25 will handle them faultlessly. However, you need to do some edge milling? No problem. This portable beveling tool will get it done in a faster way without producing much noise. No wonder the unique dual-handled design will cause minimal fatigue after the whole operation. All right, that was the list of the 10 new cool power tools that are on another level. Thanks for watching our video. like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.